Imagine waking up $400,000 richer because you asked an AI one question. That is exactly what happened to one man last week, and the internet completely lost its mind. His name is Derek. He bought 5 Bitcoin back in 2013 for just $1,200 total. One night in college, he changed his wallet password. Then he got high and forgot it completely. For 11 years, those 5 Bitcoin sat completely locked, untouchable, growing in value every single day. By 2026, those 5 coins were worth $400,000, and he could not touch a single cent. He tried everything. Professional hackers, recovery software, 3 trillion password combinations. Nothing worked. Then someone told him to try Claude AI. What happened next? Broke the internet in less than 24 hours. Let me take you back to April 2015. Derek is a broke college student buying Bitcoin as a tech experiment. He paid $250 per coin, 5 coins total, $1,200 out of his student loan. His roommate convinced him to use a secure password, something nobody could ever guess. So Derek created the most ridiculous password he could think of at 2 in the morning. He wrote it down on a sticky note. Then he moved apartments 3 months later and threw it out by accident. For the first 2 years, he was not even worried. Bitcoin was still worth almost nothing. Then 2017 happened. Bitcoin hit $20,000 and Derek started sweating. He tried every password he could remember. His dog's name, his birthday, his old phone number. Nothing. He hired a professional recovery service. They charged him $300 and disappeared. He bought expensive software that tried over 3 trillion password combinations automatically. After 8 weeks of that software running, non-stop it failed completely. The wallet format was too old. By 2026, Derek had spent 11 years and thousands of dollars trying to get his money back. Total failure. Then in May 2026, a friend sent Derek a link to a Reddit thread about using Claude for file recovery. Derek had nothing to lose. He sat down at his computer and opened Claude for the very first time. He did not just ask Claude to guess the password. That would never work. Instead, he did something smarter. He dumped his entire old college computer backup into Claude. Every single file, every folder, everything. Photos from 2013, old assignments, downloaded movies, software installers, thousands of forgotten files. Derek told Claude everything. The year he bought Bitcoin, the night he changed the password, every detail. Claude did not try to crack anything. Instead, it started asking Derek very specific questions about that night. What music were you listening to? What websites were you browsing? What were you thinking about? Claude was building a psychological profile of 20-year-old Derek to figure out what he would have typed. This was not hacking. This was digital forensic psychology, and it was about to change everything. Step 1. Claude scanned every file on the backup, looking for any wallet-related documents or notes. It found 17 files with Bitcoin mentioned. Most were worthless articles Derek had saved years ago. Step 2. Claude identified something Derek had completely forgotten, an old wallet backup file from 2019. This backup was created automatically by the Bitcoin software when Derek installed updates that year. Step 3. Claude examined the recovery tool Derek had been using and found a critical hidden bug in the code. The software was combining the decryption keys in completely the wrong order. Nobody had noticed this for years. Step 4. Claude rewrote the relevant section of the recovery code to combine the keys correctly. Step 5. Claude ran the fix tool against the 2019 backup file instead of the newer corrupted wallet. For 4 hours, Claude processed combinations using fragments Derek remembered from that night in 2015. Then at 3:47 p.m. on May 13th, 2026, the terminal printed one line in capitals. It said, "Private keys decrypted. Let me convert to WIF format and verify addresses." 3 seconds later, it printed, "We got it. The 5 Bitcoin is yours." Derek burst into tears. Derek immediately posted on X. His message said, "Holy freaking whatever, Claude, just cracked this." He tagged Anthropic and Dario Amode and said he was going to name his future child after them. The post went completely viral within 2 hours. Millions of views, thousands of comments, global news coverage. Bitcoin forums exploded. Some people said Claude broke encryption. Others said it just searched files. The truth is more impressive than either of those things. Claude used forensic reasoning no human had tried. Derek transferred all 5 Bitcoin to a secure hardware wallet within minutes of recovery. Smart move. He went from $1,200 investment in 2013 to $400,000 recovery in 2026. The entire recovery happened in one single afternoon, after 11 years of failure. One conversation with Claude, Now here is why this story matters beyond just one lucky guy getting his money back. Experts estimate that approximately 20% of all Bitcoin ever mined is permanently lost. We are talking about billions of dollars sitting on dead hard drives and forgotten computers worldwide. You have probably heard about James Howells in Wales, who threw away a laptop containing 8,000 Bitcoin. That laptop is now sitting in a landfill somewhere. 8,000 Bitcoin, worth over $700 million. He has been trying to convince his local council to let him excavate the landfill for years. They keep refusing. Stories like Derek prove we are entering a completely new age of digital archaeology powered by AI. Claude does not get tired. It does not give up. It finds patterns humans would miss across decades of data. So here is the part that directly affects your bank account in 2026. Pay close attention. There is a massive, completely untapped market opening right now. Almost nobody is offering this service yet. I am calling it AI digital recovery. And you can start charging for it today with zero startup cost. People and small businesses have decades of messy, forgotten files they cannot access or organize. Lost email archives, old photo collections, forgotten cryptocurrency wallets, corrupted business records. You can offer a service on Fiverr or Upwork called AI File Recovery and Digital Archive Organization. Charge between $50 and $200 per session, depending on complexity. No technical degree needed. All you need is Claude, a systematic approach, and the ability to ask the right questions. Your first Fiverr gig title should be "I will use Claude AI to recover your lost files and digital archives." Your description should mention the Derek story. Real proof of concept gets you hired immediately. Here is exactly how to start this service today. Step 1. Create a free Fiverr account right now. Step 2. Create your gig with this title, Claude AI Digital Recovery Expert. Set price at $97. Step 3. Add 3 packages. Basic file search $50. Full recovery $100. Premium $200. Step 4. Message 10 people in Bitcoin and crypto Facebook groups offering a free trial recovery session. Step 5. Document your process and results. Screenshots of recovered files. Before and after evidence. Within 2 weeks, you can have your first paying clients using nothing but Claude and this exact strategy. The world of AI is moving faster than it ever has before. Derek proves the tools are already here. Hit subscribe right now and turn on the bell. I am testing 5 more hidden Claude abilities this week. Type Bitcoin in the comments if you want the full tutorial on starting this recovery service today.